What's up guys, my name is Kevin with Road Trip Tape, and today we're going to be installing road trip tape on this HHR. So for this installation you're going to need, of course, your tape, some scissors. I would definitely recommend RTT application spray. This right here removes any wax or grease that you have on your car. Or you can use alcohol wipes. Of course, your squeegee to remove any air bubbles that you have underneath the tape, and a nice, fresh, clean microfiber towel. So step one is you have to decide which road trip tape is for your car. So regular is for your regular car, which is regular paint. In this case, this car is only painted, so we're gonna use regular strength. Extra strength is designed for wrapped vehicles, dipped vehicles, or if your car is freshly waxed. So step one is you wanna use the alcohol wipes and wipe down the surface where you're gonna apply the tape. This eliminates a lot of the wax that you might have on the car before, fingerprints, or anything that's not gonna allow 100% adhesiveness to the car. Alright, so when you're applying road trip tape, I always recommend not to go over the edge. Maybe start 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch before the edge, and that way you make sure that there's nothing hanging out and lifting up with time or miles while driving. So one thing you don't want to do is stretch the tape and then put it on, because what happens if you stretch it within time in the sun, it's going to go back to its original form. When it goes back to the original form, it's going to start lifting. So the best thing to do is just let it at ease, rest, and just let the squeegee lay down the tape. This is very important. Do not stretch the tape. It will lift up on you guys. So the same thing at the end of the hood. Don't go over the edge. Just trim it 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch before the end. And don't forget, road trip tape is safe for headlights, and since it's see-through, it doesn't block your light. Alright, so now we're doing the bumper. You notice the bumper has two different sections. It has the top section and then the front section. So what we're going to do is, instead of doing one big strip across, we're going to divide it into panels. So we're going to do the top panel first and then the front panel. So when you get to the edge of the wheel well, it's always good to cut 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch before the edge. That prevents any tape from flapping on the edges and coming out during your trip. Just like so. Alright, now that the tape is nicely installed, off we go. First stop, North Carolina. Let's go. What's up guys, we made it back to Miami, and now it's time to take the tape off. So just to resume everything, we drove over 1,600 miles. The tape's been on there for 14 days. We've driven through rain. We've had it in here in this hot Miami sun, and now we're gonna peel it out so you guys can see what it looks like with no residue, and it's safe for your paint. All right, let's get started. So when you're peeling off the tape, make sure you peel it off carefully and don't just yank it off, just to avoid any problems. So here we go. What I'm going to do is since we started from the top down, I'm going to start taking them down from the bottom down. And as you can see, 14 days later, after rain, no residue, safe for your paint. Oh, look at this. No residue, nice clean headlight. Beautiful. Love this thing. Nice and protected headlight, no rock chips. No bug splatter in there, just like that. Thanks again for watching this video. My name is Kevin with Road Trip Tape. Please check out our website. If you have any comments or questions, please comment below. Thanks again.